Hi, to improve pictures quality on your POCO F6, as a first step, we will need to find and launch the camera app. So now make sure that you are in a photo mode, and here we can make some adjustments. For example, just take a look at the support panel, and here you would find this HDR. Here we can tap on the HDR to improve color saturation in your photos. It can work in auto mode too and turn on automatically when needed. And after that, we can activate AI camera from the menu by tapping this arrow. So, this feature improves the quality of your photos using artificial intelligence. You just need to tap it like that to enable, so it will light up orange. And you can also turn it off if you need to by tapping it again. And now, after that, go in the More section and select 50MP. This mode allows you to take high-resolution photos of up to 50 megapixels, and the results are great. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.